in the night. Come make slime.
Today we're showing you how to make slime. Before making your slime, you are going to have a clean space. First, you're going to need a container. You're going to need some glue, some magical liquid from Elmer's, or any type of activator to make slime, instant snow, food coloring, which is optional, a spoon to mix the slime, and some water. First, you're gonna take your instant snow powder Next, you're gonna pour the water in it. Glow Recipe Toner. I only want to pour a little because that's because look at it expanding. And then next you want to pour more water. Come back to you when it's done.
Next, we're gonna add the glue.
And you're gonna add a bit more than your instant snow.
Now we're gonna add some coloring.
Next, the color we're gonna use is purple. But you can use whatever color you like if you want to add some food coloring, which is optional. You're gonna add in 1 tiny drop or 2 because too much can dye your hand. It's a Grimace shake. Grimace shake. And after it looks like this, you're gonna need your activator.
Next, you're gonna add your activator a little bit at a time.
So this should be your end result. It should be stretchy. It should be not sticking to your hands. And thank you.